Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for November 21st, 2018. Today we're going to take a look at the USDCHF, the US dollar, versus the Swiss franc for today's trade analysis. Now, it is very important for me to recognize the fact that we are going into what could be a considerable holiday break for many people as liquidity begins to dry up as the day goes on today. Going into the Thanksgiving holiday, many people will be taking off in the next few days. So, less traders in the market, less liquidity may mean that there's going to be limited trading activity, or also could mean that there is unexpected volatility. So, be careful as you go over the next few days as we go into this interesting week with the extended holiday break that many people will be on. So that being said, as we look at the USD we're looking at the daily time frame. We really want to look at two trends here. The blue trend line, which was clearly an uptrend. That's not too hard to see. It was moving higher, going all the way back into mid to late this September. We started moving higher, created somewhat of a pattern up here. You see the black boxes as it continued to rise. In the past couple of days, though, we have broken that pattern, and we see the market pushing through the blue trend line, the yellow zone at the top, and have had a significant fall back down towards the 99.30.40 level currently. And for the past 2 days, now the third day, Monday, Tuesday, now Wednesday, holding support into 99.40.30, the blue shaded area up here towards the top of the chart. Follow it back in time just a little bit. I've circled it in blue. We've seen historical price action around here before. Resistance on the underneath side, support on the top side. So we know this area right around 99.40.30 has historically been an area of trading decision. And that's what we're looking for here. We're looking for areas of trading decision, buying and selling, entering and exiting, because if the market is doing that around these specific levels, it becomes an area where, for those of us that don't really have control over what's happening in the market, we may look to make our trading decisions as well. So we look at this 99.40.30 level and say, well, there's potentially a trading action to happen around here. So we want to be aware and maybe make our own trading action here. Well, as we can see clearly, as long as, and we're really just looking at the past 2 days and now today, as long as it's above that blue shaded area, it's not really a great place to go short. We have seen it test underneath it yesterday, but suddenly reversed and went right back above it. So it's not really a great place to go short US dollars on top of that blue shaded area. Again, look back to the left. Support and resistance here again. The only real reason to go short is that it finally breaks through and stays underneath that blue shaded area 99.30.40. The other reason to go short maybe is that it rebounds a little bit to resistance. Again, you look back here and you can see that resistance into the pink shaded area. And again, back above the pink zone, we could look for it to go higher. Purple zone, obviously, just underneath it is your current support. Interesting enough, 100 period simple moving average lives down here closer to the 98.95 level and the bottom of that purple shaded area. So a couple of, definitely some areas to consider as you look for opportunity here as we go into the longer extended holiday weekend. But definitely want to be sure you use appropriate risk strategies, though, as you go into this holiday weekend. So as long as it's above the blue zone, I think there could be an intraday opportunity to buy. Targeting back to the pink shaded area, a little bit of a rebound back higher after the significant sell-off we saw late last week and early this week, a little bit of a rebound back towards the 99.65.80 level, or maybe even higher towards this green zone up here into the 1.0 level. All that depends on it staying above the blue shaded area. Your risk, if you're buying, is under there because you just don't want it to break underneath it. How deep underneath there, of course, will be up to you, but using your appropriate risk strategies for your trading account. But the worst case scenario here is that it breaks through that blue shade area. You just don't want that to happen. So keeping an eye on it, staying above the blue zone becomes an opportunity. Buying, targeting the pink or the green zone. Breaking the blue zone's the risk in the scenario. You just don't want that to happen if you're going to be in a buy. And really, the only reason to sell it is it gets underneath the blue zone. One quick peek at the 4-hour time frame. And again, you can see just here looking at the 4-hour time frame, the difficulty has had being underneath the blue zone. We're right back above it. Clearly, right now holding support on top of that blue zone. It really just only makes sense to be buying above the 99.40 level for the dollar franc today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.